But is there no formula? Is that like...
No, there is. It's just she just wanted to try it.
Are you going to get on the phone or are you going to give her some formula after?
Maybe.
Like liquid, because otherwise she'll get all the stuff and just eat it. Yeah, but you'll probably need to give
Give it one.
At least
Go on,
half
straight in the bowl.
Yeah, but getting vicious.
They're chewing the bowl.
I think
They're
it's starting to get it. I mean, that's pretty good for the first time. Yeah.
That's the first time.
Yeah.
It's really,
That they've been able to eat on their own, yeah.
if there's stuff really.
Yeah, they're a real mess. It's a business, it's a mess, that's for sure.
no, covered in food.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll turn your hair.
One of them hit me earlier. Because I tried to take it away from its brother because it stabbed him in the eye. It's like...
Come on. Yeah, you need more balls. This is not good in this too. They need more balls. So they're attacking one another.
Well, that one's still eating the side of the bowl.
Get out of the bowl.
Move a little bit, huh?
There we go. There we go.
So you don't get close. So I don't think forward.
Alright.
That was the one that started, that's trouble. And she's got the most.
all covered in food. Hi, mister.
Just like as long as they don't touch you, right?
Oh, you're all food covered in going in my pants. That's just lovely.
That's lovely.
Yeah, they're gonna have to, we should probably just let them